Hello guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create Islamic account on Bybit. So how to create this account? First of all, you need to go to Bybit, just click on the link in the description or in the comments and you'll be taken to this page. Here you of course need to sign in first of all or sign up if you haven't an account on this exchange. You can do it just by clicking on the login button at the top right, but as you can see I have account here and you'll see this page after login. Now you need to hover your mouse over trade at the very top and find in this list Islamic account. Just click on it. Okay. And this is the page what we need. Islamic account, the industry's first global crypto exchange to offer Sharia-compliant accounts with no interest, ensuring peace of mind for Muslim investors. Here you can read more about this account, and to create this account you need to click on this button. Let's do it. And now we need to create a sub-account and select here Islamic account right here. So let's do it, click on it. Here you need to read more about this account and click on confirm button. Now you need to name your account, for example like this, and select account type, unified trading in our case. Okay, here you can require password for login, for example, if you want to activate this button, and create username and password for your account, or just click on confirm. Okay, created successfully. Spot trading, DCA trading bots and spot grid bots. This is what supported by this account. Now let's click on explore now. So you can find your Islamic account in this tab, sub account. Just click on it and here you'll see it. And now to switch your account to Islamic account, hover your mouse over your portfolio icon at the top right and click on switch or create account. And here select your sub account, Islamic account in my case. Now I can easily buy something on this account, but first of all I need to transfer my crypto to this account. If you have any questions about this exchange, about this account, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer on it. Hope my video was helpful, subscribe and like. Bye bye.